Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming patch test results and sanitizing everything. This prevents infections and reactions. Once done, position the client supine, place a gel pad under the lower lashes, and secure them with tape, leaving about a 1/2 centimeter gap. This protects the skin and separates brows. Make your first isolation on a central, healthy, natural lash. Use a single isolation tweezer, pick an appropriate extension, dip the base lightly in adhesive, and prepare to place the first bond precisely. You now focus on controlled placement and why precision matters. A stable bond equals longer retention. Hold one tweezer to isolate the natural lash and the other to place the extension beneath the isolation point. Aim for a 1 to 2 millimeter gap from the lid so the client stays comfortable. Once you place a few, step back and assess symmetry. Make sure lengths blend and curvature follows the natural line. Move methodically in small sections to avoid adhesive clumps and crossed bonds. You finish by letting the adhesive set, then mist for proper curing. This reduces fumes and strengthens bonds. Once set, gently remove the tape and comb through to release any stuck lashes, inspecting for gaps or bonded pairs. Make sure the client blinks comfortably and that lengths are balanced. If lashes stick together or glue strands form, immediately isolate the pair, separate with an oil-free microbrush, and re-isolate the natural lash, replacing the extension if the bond failed. Explain fill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.